Running a woodworking business can be really rewarding, but it also comes with some challenges. One of the big things that I find is a challenge is you get into the whole business thing, but then you have to sort of make sometimes things you don't really like to make or don't give you kind of, you don't have any fun making them. Well, but sometimes you have to make those things, right, to make money. As a woodworker, you always like to do your own style and stuff like that, just so you enjoy it more, and that's the big thing is, but then sometimes people's projects don't really align with what you think, but it's always best to do what the customer thinks. What I find with the whole custom thing is that usually you make more money with it, but it also comes with more stress because you have the deadline, you have to make it like there's always the thought of what if the customer doesn't like it in the end or something like that. There's just something that they didn't really weren't expecting it to look like that, or it's not up to their expectations. But luckily I've never had that before where it was a complete they didn't like it. All my customers have loved the stuff so far that I've made, which is good. But then that's why sometimes, custom is good because you make money, but you also sometimes just want to make your own thing and post it on Facebook Marketplace just to see if it sells. I mean, you won't get nearly as good as of money from it, but it it allows you to be more creative and have a bit more fun with it. But that's just the role of running the business. I think in any job, there's never going to be a moment where you love 100% of it. There's always some little thing that you don't like, but that's just life, right? So if you haven't running a woodworking business, yeah, you might get a lot of cutting boards or something like that, and you might not like making them as much. You want to do the big projects or something like that, or really, I think the projects that you like the most are the ones that really challenge your skills the most, the ones that um, take a lot more math or something, or designing and jointing and stuff like that to make it really fit together nice. If it's just a simple cutting board that everybody can do, you don't feel the uniqueness or that you're using your full potential. So I guess maybe you don't like it as much. But that's just one of the worst things from about running your own woodworking business. But that's the how life is. So maybe just take some custom orders and then let yourself do your own thing too, right? Just to see if you can post it on Facebook Marketplace to sell it. So, but yeah, the worst thing about running a woodworking business is building stuff you don't like to make. But sometimes that makes you money, right? So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.